Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to my channel where we embark on thrilling journeys to uncover hidden gems around the world. Today, we've chosen something truly extraordinary. A castle that has stood the test of time, nestled near the vibrant city of Brno in the Czech Republic. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this adventure. You've made a fantastic choice, and I promise you won't be disappointed. Now let's dive into the captivating history of Veveří Castle, a fortress with a military significance that reverberates through the ages. Situated majestically atop a hill overlooking the stunning Brno Dam, this medieval masterpiece dates back over 800 years. Can you imagine the secrets this place holds? But what makes Veveří Castle truly remarkable is its strategic importance. Back in the day, this fortress was a crucial military stronghold, guarding the gateway to the Moravian region. It played a pivotal role in safeguarding the lands against invading forces. The castle's imposing walls, sturdy towers, and ingenious defensive systems were unmatched, making it an impenetrable fortress. Here's a fascinating fact for you. Did you know that visitors to Veveří Castle can explore the insides of the defensive walls and towers on their own? That's right. You have the incredible opportunity to step into the shoes of the defenders who once stood guard there. Imagine the thrill of wandering through the very structures that have witnessed countless battles and heroic acts of bravery. It's an experience like no other, and I'll take you with me now. As you venture through the labyrinthine corridors, you'll discover hidden nooks and crannies, secret chambers, and breathtaking vistas from the top of the towers. You'll find yourself transported back in time, enveloped by the echoes of history. It's an explorer's dream come true. And here's another reason why visiting Veveří Castle is an absolute must. Just a stone's throw away lies the bustling Moravian metropole, Brno. This vibrant city offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and modern amenities. After immersing yourself in a castle's medieval wonders, you can easily head to Brno and discover its vibrant atmosphere, captivating architecture, and mouth-watering culinary delights. And Brno City offers many more historical buildings to explore. But that's not all. Remember the beautiful Brno Dam that I mentioned earlier? It's located in the vicinity of Veveri Castle, and it's an adventure's paradise. Whether you're into water sports, leisurely boat rides, or simply picnicking by the shore, this stunning reservoir has it all. Imagine the joy of cooling off on a scorching summer day or capturing breathtaking sunsets over the water. The options are endless. So, my fellow adventurers, imagine standing atop of the ancient walls of Veveri Castle, feeling the weight of history and gazing out at the picturesque landscape. The blend of awe-inspiring architecture, captivating tales of battles fought, and the boundless opportunities for exploration in Brno and the nearby Brno Dam make this an experience you won't want to miss. Get ready to be captivated by the allure of Veveri Castle. And wait, there's even more. In my video, I've compiled a stunning collection of footage captured with the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone and the incredible GoPro Hero 11 Black camera. From sweeping aerial shots of the castle's interior to intimate explorations of its hidden chambers, this video will transport you right into the heart of the action. So get ready to witness the castle's magnificence from every angle and experience the thrill of discovery. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button please, and ring the notification bell, my fellow adventurers, because you won't want to miss any of my future immersive journeys. Together we'll uncover the secrets of the past, soak in the breathtaking views, and embrace the excitement of exploration. Get ready to be amazed. GoPro, stop recording. Thank you once again for choosing my channel and joining me on this incredible adventure. Stay tuned for all upcoming videos where we'll embark on a mesmerizing journey through our world. Keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video. Safe travels, safe flies. Have a beautiful summer, my friends. Bye bye.